Here's how to use Wispr Flow AI. Let's get to it. So as per my understanding, I think this tool will allow you to convert your speech into text. So you do not need to type on keyboard anymore. Also, it's going to remove the repeated words, remove filler words, and a lot more. So let's check it out together in this video, how it works. It is available for Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android. So you can use it on Android as well. They have just updated it and it's now live. So you can click the link in the description and it will take you over to this page. You can click on this download for Windows and then you need to sign up for an account. So I'm going to press here, continue with Google. I think it's a much faster sign up process. So I'm going to go with it. You could also sign up with email if you want. Now it will take us over to the download page. It's going to say open Wispr Flow in 3 steps. Open your downloads, double click on the setup.exe. It's currently downloading. It's 302 MB. If it did not download, you can click over here, try again, do it. All right, let's open it up. All right, so this is what it is. And I'm going to press on this Google button again. And we need to press on this open Wispr Flow. Now here, you can get started. Just need to press on where did you hear. I am going to just press on other, or let's just press on product hunt, continue. Tell us about yourself, creator. Let's just go with creator here and continue. Chatting with AI, continue, and start setup. Do you work next to other people? No, I'm private. Continue. You can whisper when using Flow around other people. Don't be shy. Okay, let's set up Flow. You control their data. Privacy mode. Continue. Speak to test your microphone. I think it's working. Yep. If these bars go up, that means it's working for you. You can also change microphone from here. It's already detected it, so I'm going to press on yes. Do buttons turn purple when pressing them? Okay. Control plus Windows. Yep, it does. You can also change the shortcut here. So currently, I think if you want to use the Wispr Flow, you would need to use these buttons together. So Control plus Windows, or you can change the shortcut from here. Push to talk. Okay. Enter rebind, command mode, and paste last transcript. All right. Let's press on yes. Your selected language. You can click here to add the other languages that they have. You can change to it from here. Auto detect would be great. Save and close and continue. All right, now I think this is where you need to test it out. I think it should be working. Let's see if it does work here. Yep, it did work, and it converted my speech into text over here. We can just send it like this. All right, let's press on continue. Now here it's going to say try smart formatting in email. Hold down this keys and speak. Let go to insert spoken text. All right. Hi Greg, let's connect soon. Are you available on Friday at 3? No, actually 4. Best roaming. So it did take our speech, convert it into text. So this way you can write emails without typing it, just by using your voice. That's great. It also kind of changed the text a little bit, formatted it better. Let's press on continue. And over here, this is a whispering a note. Okay. Whisper close to your mic. Let's try it out. I need to pick up a few things from store. Ice cream, potato chips. All right, it did work. Great. Now we are going to press on continue. And that's it. I have now unlocked Flow Pro, which is 2 weeks of unlimited access. And you do not need to use your credit card. That's great. Let's press on continue again. Let's press on continue again here. Let's press on finish over here. Now there are these things that you can try out. Write a document, prompt cursor or windsurf, and a lot more. So let's just close this, and you should be able to use it anywhere on your Windows or Mac if you're using that. So over here in Snippets, you should be able to create snippets for yourself. Like you could just say my flow referral and it's going to convert that into this whole thing. My email address and it's going to convert it to your email address over here that way. So you can create snippets like this. So you do not have to type your whole entire LinkedIn URL. You just have to say, hey, Greg, this is my LinkedIn. It's going to convert it to, hey, Greg, this is my, and then it's going to paste this whole URL link instead of typing in just LinkedIn that way. You can create snippets from here, and you can go over to style, make flow sound like you. You can click on start now, start the personalization. I think it would check your other messages first. It's a little privacy concern, I think. How do you write your personal messages? Formal, casual, very casual, very casual. Formal, how do you write your work messages? Excited. Formal again for emails. And I guess casual for other apps. Okay. All right. So it just took us through different questions, and I guess that's it. And it would be like this. You can start now again and do the personalization, but I think that would be good. Now here I can again do the same thing. Just press on Control and Windows in order to start using Wispr Flow. And there is this small box on the bottom with the indicator. If I let go of my keys, it's going to type it in the box. And then these are notes. So I can just press on Finish and it's going to add our note over here. You can delete the note from here or you can edit it. You can also click on this pill button on the bottom, this black pill button. Click here and it should start the dictating process. Now on the left hand side, you can cancel it, and on the right, you can finish and paste it. There's also this dictionary. So this is again the same thing as snippet, but it's more like if you're using some different words, you can change it to that. For example, if you're using a short form for by the way, BTW, it's going to change it to by the way, that way. So I can just add new word, correct a misspelling. Just type in the misspelling and the correct spelling, and then add the word. There's also the settings here on the left hand side. You should be able to go here, change the shortcuts and language, etc. Experimental, command mode, wipe coding. You can use it with wipe coding tools. And system. If you want to launch the app at login, you can just click here or disable it from here and such. In sound, you should be able to disable the dictation sound effects. So in case you do not like the pop sounds and such, when you stop dictating, you can just disable it from here. And also if you're listening to music while you're dictating and you do not want it to interfere with your dictating process, so in that case, you can need to enable this thing. And when you dictate, it's going to mute your music. And when you stop, it's going to replay it. The extra stuff, this is all system related settings. And reset and restart over here if you want to reset the app. There's also this in the extra. You can auto add to dictionary. If it finds any corrected words, it's going to automatically add it. You can also remove it from here if you want. Now, if you want to log out of your account, you can just go here in account and sign out or delete account. These are all your pricing plans of Wispr Flow. The basic one, the Pro, and the Enterprise. You should be able to upgrade from here, but do not forget to go through the link in the description. It will help me out with a small commission. Yeah, I think that's it. That's how to use Wispr Flow AI, which will allow you to change or convert your speech into text, and you can use it anywhere. It's not just limited to this app. You can just go out from here. It can work anywhere. So I can just go over here in the URL of my web browser. I can press on Ctrl+W, and then I can start speaking. Just let go of the keys and it's going to add it over here. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Wispr Flow related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.